morning guys, welcome back to another video. Today guys, I'm gonna go for a quick morning routine. I'm just by this camp now at the moment. I've done all of that stuff, brush my teeth, wash my face and all of that, make my bed and all that stuff. So I'm just gonna move on to the nitty gritty, get straight into it. So I'm gonna get a quick bite to eat, quick breakfast, and then hit the gym. Friday today guys, time now is 6:15. I think I'm a bit early for the cookhouse. I think you open like 6:30. And the only reason why I came to the cookhouse as well, because in the block you're not allowed to cook in the block, you know what I mean? So that's the reason why I'm here. So I'm gonna get a quick bite to eat guys, and then I'm gonna hit the gym. So the gym I'm gonna go into is not gonna be the military gym, it's gonna be the civvy gym, and I'm gonna do a quick session. Hope you guys like it. Come on, let's go baby. So cold, Jesus, it's freezing. So yeah, the camp where I'm at now guys, this one here, hope you guys know it. Saint Omar. Oh yeah, wow, it's no joke out there. So they said it open 6:30. Yeah, so they said open 6:30 guys, so I'm just gonna wait out. Got another 5 minutes to go. They're so rigid, man. They're like, nah, 6:30 mate. However, not long to go, 3 minutes to go, and then they should open the shutters, and then I'm gonna get a quick bite to eat. Anyway guys, today with the session, I don't know where I'm going with it. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do. Yesterday I hit legs yesterday. For the past last week, I've been literally doing legs constantly throughout. I can see the difference. I can see the little growth I put on. I'll make you guys be a judge of that. And don't grill me in the comment section as well. Be nice, please. So today, I think I might do a bit shoulders and back. So that's the plan now at the moment. You can hear that? That sweet sound. Ooh, that's the shutters right there, baby. Come on, let's go. Can I have sausage, please? Two. And can I have two? Yeah, I have some potatoes as well. Yeah, that's it. And 2 eggs, please. Baked beans, please. And I think that's it. Cereal as well. Okay, and the banana, is it free with the meal?
No, banana's not.
Banana's not. $2.19 for all of that. So that's me guys, just finished my meal then. Gonna shoot off now, hit the gym and start the day, mate. To be honest, I didn't eat everything as well. Just didn't taste good, mate. But I had the porridge and the eggs, and I think that was it really. But off the porridge I had. So now gym time, let's go. Warm up there. I'm not doing legs today. I've been doing legs since last week for 1 week straight. And I just feel guilty not doing something. So hence why the reason I'm coming and just do a warm up on legs. But today I'm going to do in back and shoulders. So yeah, get my breath back That was quite hard, and yeah, incline 10 minutes solid, 11.9. But yeah, it was tough. Let's go. Yes, I just bumped the weight up, so now I'm pushing what? 60, 70, 80 on the arm row for 8 reps.
You're out the gym. That's a safe space for everybody. Everybody's welcome, regardless of gender, sexuality, size, age, ethnicity, or ability. At Pure Gym, we want you to know that you are entering a friendly, judgment-free gym where everybody can come from and leave feeling good. Keeping you safe and secure. Dedicated CCTV team monitoring your gym 24/7. Meaning if you are ever in assistance during your
Starting to get slightly bit harder now. So that was what? 80 for 8 reps on the arm row. So I'm going to do 3 sets of that, and then I'll move on to single arm row. But yeah, so far feeling good, man. It's been a while now. Been missing from the gym. Quite a few people see me and say, "Yo, Fabziy, you're looking good, mate." Pity they don't know me. I've been doing this for like 2 weeks now, solid. But it's crazy. Just imagine if I'm doing it for 6 months. I'll be a beast. Let's go. First arm, 6 reps, feel really good. When I hit the 7, start feeling my lower back going slowly. So yeah, I don't know if I should take the 5s off and carry on. I just finish the last set and do less reps. So I think that's what I might do. I think I might go for 6 on the next one. That's for a finisher. Yeah, feeling good, mate. What a lot of people intend to do as well, you know, they have this little jerk. So when they start to get fatigued, tired, and start to say they jerk slightly, which I do. I think I might do. You might see me do that in a few of my reps as well. I think because yeah, this weight is no joke, man. Maybe for some people it's lightweight, but yeah, I'm slowly getting back into it, guys. You know, been training for like 2 weeks now, solid. So slowly but surely, I don't want to injure myself and put myself out. But yeah, let's chat and more work. Let's go. I was going to do 6 there, ended up and did 8, but as I said, the last two was literally what? Jerks. So that's what I'm trying to go away from, the jerks, and stick with strict pull. So now I'll finish off with this now, so now let's move on to single arm row. I've been doing single arm row. I'm start with 32, I'm going to work my way up. I'm doing 8 reps each arms, 16 in total, quick maths. 32 feel really light. I haven't been doing this for a while now, so getting back into it slowly. However, I don't want to go up too much and then injure myself. So max might go up to maybe 40. Lower the reps again, same detail. So come on, let's do it. First runs on, I'm doing about 4 sets. Definitely can feel the burn after that, so I got what? Two more sets to go. Bump it up to 36. Feeling really good, feeling really strong. So I'm gonna push it. I think I might go 40 tops. Stop there. Hit 40, I might lower the sets. So I might do 6 sets, 6 arm reps. Phone keep pinging. So I'm going to bump it up to 40 and then lower the reps, do 6. 2 more to go, guys. Freedom! Yeah guys, so that's it. End of the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. It's a quick session, morning routine. As I said, I didn't want to go through all the brushing my teeth, spreading my bed and all that stuff. Yeah, so just went for a breakfast, quick session. Now I'm just gonna shower again, get changed, head back into work now. Time now is what, 10 to 8. So I got a bit of time. Anyway guys, remember to like, share, subscribe guys. Yeah, it does help with the algorithm massively, and if you reach the end of the video guys, obviously you must like what you see, so you might as well subscribe. Anyway, enjoy the rest of the day and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Peace. You know, literally I want to cry right now. Literally, trust me. I've done all of the names where I call out now without even switching my mic on. Jesus Christ. Reshow.